Good morning, students. This is Miss Cash. I'm not able to be here today, but I wanted to send you a little video to help you work some of these problems that I'm giving you today. These are all review problems from what you should probably know how to do from Algebra 1, but I wanted to make sure you understood very clearly what I'm asking you to do here. If I go too fast at any point, please pause the video and take notes and then push play again. Again, I will have to go fairly quickly because this video doesn't work if I go over about 5 minutes. So, right on to things. This is your worksheet for today. I'm going to work one from this side with you. The whole idea is that we're simplifying expressions. First, we have this piece out in front of the parentheses. It's a coefficient, but we have to use the distributive property to multiply that coefficient through the whole parentheses first. Then we'll be able to combine like terms. So I'm just going to start with my distributive property. 4 times x squared gives me 4x squared. And then I multiply that 4 times the next piece. 4 times 3x gives me 12x. And then 4 times the last piece of that parentheses is 4 times 4 or plus 16. The next thing I'm going to do, well, the parentheses ended right here. So everything after that parentheses is what I'm going to pick up with. Well, I have a minus 2. So I'm going to treat that like a negative 2, and I'm going to multiply negative 2 times everything in this parentheses. Negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 4x. Be careful, there's a negative and a negative, is going to give me a positive 8x. And negative 2 times negative 3, again, negative times a negative, will give me a positive 6. That's the first step. The next thing we want to do is combine like terms. So I'm going to look through and find things here that are alike, regardless of what order they're written in. I see that I have a 4x squared, and then I'm going to look for anything else with x squared. Well, I see 2x squared, but be careful, it's minus 2x squared. I put those both in pink because they're both x squareds. So when I combine those, I'm going to get 4 minus 2, which will give me 2x squared. Then I'm going to look to my next piece. I've got plus 12x. So I'm going to look through and find anything else that has an x. Well, I see plus 8x. 12 plus 8 gives me 20. So I'm going to have plus 20x. Finally, I have plus 16 and plus 6. Those are both what we call constant terms. They don't have a variable with them. They're just numbers. 16 plus 6 gives me 22. They're both positive, so it's going to be plus 22. And that is as simple as it gets. The rest cannot be combined because they are not like terms, so I circle or box in my answer, and that is my answer. That's it for this video. There'll be another 2 videos with a couple other example problems.